Power supply cables are connected to all laptops. Accidents occur, and when they do, the damage can be extensive. Common damages include broken power connectors and shattered LCD screen. Our ingenious solution is simple. The ProtectivePlug assembly is inserted and secured to the laptop. Simple installation, incredible protection. The hooks of the latch grab the case. The plug is inserted and secured to the latch. The nut secures the assembly to the laptop. The socket connects to the plug.